Good morning, people. Welcome back
to our channel.
It is Monday and it's public holiday dito sa Queensland. It's Labor Day, guys. And we are all dressed up. Where are you going, Paris?
See Anthony.
Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. She's very cute.
Is Anthony better today?
Yes.
He's better.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. I love her hair talaga, guys. It looks really healthy na nakat siya ba.
Mommy, can you help me get this off? There's more. Just use it with your nails. There's more in it.
It's nothing.
Just go like this.
But show me your outfit, babe. Show me your outfit. Aww. Dalagang-dalaga naman ang ating Paris. Oy, turn around, babe. Turn around ba? Uy, models up for mama ba?
I'm too busy.
You're too busy. Okay, tala. Ito yung hinihintay namin kasi nakatulog ba? Nilakad ng kanyang daddy. Hi, my princess! Hello! Oh, oh, oh.
Hello.
So we're going to see the family now, guys. Pupunta kami ng Asian shops. We'll see if they're open. Kasi nga, diba? Ano ngayon?
Where did you go, girl?
Labor Day nga. So mostly mga shops ay closed. So wala naman kaming ibang plano.
Run, girl, run.
Careful, anak. You'll break it, anak. Lini, where did you go with daddy, nanak? Okay, take this off a bit. Hi. Hi. Doon ko na to siya bibihisan siguro sa bahay ng tita ko, guys. Nagdala na lang ako ng damit niya kasi naglakad-lakad sila ng tatay niya. We have to go now. Nakatulog ka kasi. Make her laugh na. Stand up, nak. Nak, you'll break it, nak. How naughty is Daddy Paris, Selene? Yeah, you are. You're doing that. Oh yeah, listen. Selene's talking. What did you say now? What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? You said something. You said something.
Papa.
Yeah. Shush, gikalungat ang bata. Ikaw ba? Ikaw ba? Sikat pag gawa. Katawa sa ng manghod. Katawa sa ng manghodan na. Dance na si Celine Vo. Smile. Sige. Have a look at the Paris na. Tawa eh.
Yeah. Mama, look at me.
Uy, ayaw, anak.
I just shown her teeth.
I know, she's got teeth. 2 teeth on top and 2 teeth in the bottom. She can bite you now. She can bite you now. Look. Ayaw na. Kay dirty na yung finger na. See?
Sorry.
It's okay. We'll open the garage
Where's the
na.
car?
Huh? Yeah, no, we'll open the garage. Alam niyo ba, guys?
I don't know.
We learned our lesson na.
Well, what's
So,
I
ayan.
doing?
Pinasok na
Well,
namin.
what's I doing?
Daddy is changing his clothes. Pinasok na namin sa garage ang aming car. So, medyo...
Can I wear my school clothes?
Of course, go show it to Celine. So, yung car ay nandito na medyo tight Yung space dito guys, tingnan nyo oh, kasi sobrang dami pa kasing mga abubots dito guys. Ayan, yung mga bagahe. And then, boxes and everything. So, ayan yung treadmill ni Daddy Mike. Oh, hindi na yan siya magagamit. Para na lang, we'll try to sell that. Kasi sayang lang din naman. But yeah, para safe ang ating sasakyan. So, I'll show you guys ha. Oh, yan ang sunroof. Yan. Hala, ang nakikita nyo is yung reflection ba? Ayan. So, sa gabi, hindi na tayo mag-worry pa kasi nasa loob na siya ng garage. Careful, ate.
Big.
Do you wanna ride scooter too? Sit on mo ka na.
That one, yeah. Because if you use your feet, you might hurt your toes. Okay.
It's better?
Better?
Yeah. Look, ready, two, one, go.
Good job. See?
I got it.
Hit a weenie.
Hi, Daddy.
Is that good? Is that good weenie? You want to do that when you're bigger?
Hey, shoo.
Selena was for a long time.
Good girl.
Selena was
Okay, hold here. I'll take the car up.
Selena was asleep for a long time.
Oh my goodness, we'll see in the car. How she goes in the car.
Do I look like crap?
No. I have to change her clothes. I'll do it there, yeah? I think her nappy needs changing. It's full.
Mine,
Yes, Auntie, good.
you can change that when we go.
Okay, yeah, I'll take the car out now. Where is the key? Where is the key? Ito ang ating bag for today, guys. And ito ang laman. Damit, wallet, nappy. Ito yung ano kasi hindi ako tawag ito, ano ng mukha ba? Ito siya is press powder lang. Tagay natin mamaya. Asa yun? Yes, ate.
You have the lights.
Ha?
You need the lights when Selena sits in the...
Oh, there's wipes on the boot na. Thank you for reminding.
Selena.
Lenny! Lenny! Dito na kami sa bahay ng tita ko, guys. Ayan na, someone's going to play piano.
But they're like, sweet, they're still doing alright business wise.
Yeah, careful.
I look the best.
Itong ating, alam niyo ba, guys? Ito siya. Ay, paiyak-iyak.
You should succeed.
Nung halfway na kami, buti na lang, hindi, mga 10 minutes away kami. Ito siya, paiyak-iyak na, guys. Hanggang ngayon, oh. Paiyak-iyak pa rin. Oh, you can do that, man. Look. Ha?
Maya, I'm going to put it on.
So I want something.
I had food already, guys. I had rice, ubos na.
Some sort of draw that I'm looking for.
Galunggong.
Like trying a different blend or something.
Porridge.
I told Joanne to buy some
Pasta.
coffee from Melbourne. So
Diba? Masarap to,
expect it
guys.
when you guys
She's
visit, or we'll come over to yours or try to make it.
We'll get some almond coffee. Like.
Yummy. Hi, Anthony.
Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
How's it going? Is he my handsome cousin again? Barin.
Brisbane, man, I think you could be really like someone's got something cool going on.
What's going on?
Right spot. Even not really the right spot, you could pretty much do it anywhere.
Oh.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami, guys, sa Inala Plaza. Dito na daan. Pag may bata. Daddy, Daddy! Push. Push.
Welcome to Asia and Brisbane.
Apparently, guys,
This flavor?
ito daw ang Asian in Brisbane.
Keep palming off the Paris.
See, like the Asian shops. Ito tayo daan. Ito palang pa-outfit natin for today, guys. Makita nyo kanina, meron tayong malunggay. Gusto kong bumili ng isda para tayo ay sabaw.
Unlimited chicken?
Oh, it's close.
Unlimited chicken?
Oh, really? Chooks Master. Oh, it is close. Anthony.
The restaurant's up.
Oopsie. Oopsie. Excited na excited pa naman kami, guys. Filipina daw to, guys. Oh, spaghetti. Yan na lang ang bilhin ko. Oh, if they're open. I think they're closed. Oh. Around here, there, ready. We'll see. This one is also closed. Next time when we come back. Ay.
Don't worry, we go to Philippines. We can Fresco.
Ah, okay.
Other side? Do we drive there? Yeah. We can have a look on the other side. It might be open.
Okay.
We'll walk, yeah?
Huh?
We'll walk back.
Is that far?
So we can walk that way.
Yeah, I'll walk because
Because this
otherwise...
one's very hard to like take her
If we
in
pull
and
it
out.
in and out, should go faster.
Oops! The Labor Day kasi guys, holiday is real. Timing pa kayo.
Yummy, yummy. Shows you how to have. And now she wants to jump.
No, she doesn't want to jump. She just wants Anthony.
This way.
There's nothing there, Bobby.
Baby, you make me feel young, like I just turned 21, yeah. I don't mind if you stay on my side and never let go. Oh, I don't mind if you stay all the time.
Have a look at the crowd.
Fuck.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?
Bangos pa more.
Tangina siya ka ng kuan.
Dobo.
Muna ako sa kalina. Yay? Yeah. Ganyan, ganahan na ka. Tangina siya pula ko.
Gani, lami kay tunay ang kuan bang kanang
Tik naman ba na may dugo?
ulo sa tuna ba? Lami kay na. Labi na lami biya kay ng bukog.
Or ka ng salmon, di ba? Di lang kayo ko salmon.
Tangkong.
Ah, lagi ka ng salmon dili no.
Kalamungay.
Kanang itong kuhan yung uno, kanang nagkuog ka ng ulo.
Dinner is ready. Naluto na ang mga chef. Oh, we got fried rice. Adobo. We got sobrang laki ng ano oh. Kaldero. Sabaw.
Sabaw.
Oh, ang daming sabaw. Hello again, everyone. Time check tayo. It's 9:14 ng gabi. So, nakauwi kami mga 20 minutes ago. Or maybe 30 minutes ago. Ayan. So, ang ating baby Celine tsaka ating ate Paris ay nakatulog sa car. Tapos, si baby Celine ay sobrang tired na talaga. Pagkadala namin dito sa taas ay nakatulog na rin. Hindi na siya gumising. Sobrang sarap na sarap kami sa aming hapunan. Tapos, may ano pa kami guys, may bring house pa kami. Alam niyo naman, di ba tayong mga Pinoy? Kapag pumupunta tayo sa mga ganyan, tapos may sobra-sobra. Ay, uwi. Si Tita Christine nilagay dito. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Sobrang dami. Ilalagay ko na siya sa fridge. Daddy, where did you put the other ones, Bob? Daddy, Where's Anna? Hi, Tita and Tito.
Hi, Tita and Tita.
Did you have a good day today?
Yeah,
Where's your Tita and Tito? What is that?
but I'm so sad.
Why?
So I want to go back to cousin's house. I want to go to cousin's house.
We'll go back next time.
Because I like Leo.
Oh, you've got adobo. Oh,
Can I see mine?
of course you can, my love. Then,
I don't see it.
you wanna try?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Paminta ah. Next one is fried rice.
I don't like fried rice. I don't like the smell.
Allergic. Itong ating Ate Paris, guys. Allergic sa pagkain.
I'll
Grabe,
show
pamili guys. Sobrang kasi talaga. Pinadalan ako ni Tita Christine ng rice kasi dami niyang naluto na rice. So bukas hindi ko na kailangan hindi na ako kailangan magsaing ng kanin. And then the last one here is the soup. Oh my goodness, tingnan nyo guys ang ating soup. So this is bangus at malunggay. Sobrang pampagatas talaga to.
My
Ayan,
own rice.
sobrang dami. Grabe yung...
I want this rice.
rice? Sa lahat ng ulam, rice. Lahat ng pagkain na available. Of course, meron.
But don't put some soup.
Why not?
Because I don't want soup in it.
You don't want soup?
I just want clean.
Okay, you see.
There's nothing inside.
Okay.
I just want I don't need a bowl.
Uy! So, yun. Pumunta kami ng Inala. Yung Asian place nga. Unfortunately, they were closed kasi nga Labor Day today. Yung main lang naman. So, umikot kami dun sa kabilang, kabilang
We
banda.
just went to a different shop.
Did we? Nakaintindi pala siya sa akin. Check ako. Yes, sa kabila ay open sila doon. So, it's very similar to Springvale at Footscray sa Melbourne kung saan ako pumupunta. More on like Vietnamese yung mga tao doon, yung mga paninda. So, gusto kong bumalik doon. I'm hoping na siguro pag si Daddy ay parang siya yung mag-alaga muna kay Ate Paris or kay Baby Celine. Kasi sobrang hirap guys, may prom. Ang liit ng mga daanan ba? So, hindi ka labas-pasok easily. May nagustuhan ako kanina, nakita ko yung bayabas. Pero sobrang liit ng daan. Tapos may prom ako. Tapos ito, meron.
I'm just
ito pa
gonna
siya.
cut it.
Okay. So, hindi na lang ako bumili. Yung binili ko ay bangus. So, ito yung sinabaw namin. Dalawang malalaking bangus. And then, bumili ako ng crab tsaka pusit. Hindi ko napapakita nila. Pinasok ko sa fridge eh. Bumili ako ng 2 alimasag. So, in the coming days, bibili ako ng coconut milk. Ay, gagataan ko.
Why did you didn't grab it with your hand? Why did you didn't grab it with your hand?
I grab it with my hand.
You didn't.
I did not. Kasi bite me.
It won't mine, because it's very flat.
What?
It's flat.
It's flat?
Yeah,
What do you mean flat?
it's flat now.
Oh, okay.
And it's been in the water, and it died.
Oh, you died already?
Yeah, it died already. You use it with your hands now.
Okay. Alright.
Next time when we go there,
Mm-hmm.
when we get the big crab, next time use it with your hand only.
Okay.
With not that, because before when I was there,
Mm-hmm.
there's a girl, a mom there with her sister.
A mom with her sister. How did you know she's her sister?
She was there,
Mm-hmm.
and I saw her pick it with her hand only. He didn't use it with plastic.
Okay, Mama used plastic, yeah?
Yeah, you use the plastic because my two bicycles already died because it's been in the water a really long time. It swims there.
Okay, alright.
They go like this underwater. They don't have noses.
Oh,
They only have eyes.
okay.
So last time when I went to the beach in Easter, I saw the tiny crab there.
Really?
Yeah, it was just one.
Okay.
It was so small and tiny.
Oh, I see.
Just
Chica,
so small.
Just that small, it's very tiny, isn't it?
Yeah, it was really tiny. Did you saw it?
I think I saw it.
This time we were going to see a big one.
Okay, sige na, you eat natin ang chica. But yeah, I'll definitely go back. Daddy Mike had something to eat sa Vietnamese
But I did
shop. So he had bun buwe. Alam niyo ba guys, so si Daddy Mike kumain doon niya. Hindi siya nakaalis kagad-agad kasi cash only lang pala sila doon, guys. Ewan ko ba't cash only sila. Lahat ng shops na napuntahan namin, cash only. Buti na lang may cash ako. Si Daddy Mike sabi ko, pahugasan na lang ng plato doon. Wala siyang cash.
And I'm really sad.
Why are you sad?
Because I want to see Leon.
Leon the
Cat.
cat? Yeah, was he Leon the cat?
I want a cat like that. I want a cat like that.
We'll get a cat, okay? Leon is a good cat.
He's a good hot cat.
Okay.
But I'm just a little bit of scared because he runs really fast and he was playing with the toy, the mouse toy. I gave it to him and I wrapped it in the back stick and I took it off and he was holding it
Was he?
and he was trying to with it and eat it. He's trying to eat
Iba
it
talaga
and
natin
I
si Paris
tried it
mag-storytelling, guys, kay with
and
full
he
of
was
emotion.
holding it.
Was he?
Yeah, he was playing with it.
Anyways, guys, we're going to end the vlog here now. But I'm just gonna do a quick shout out. Because we haven't done a shout out for a long time. So, hindi ko man kayo ma-mention, guys, sa aking shout out. Please know that I'm very thankful for all of you guys na sumusuporta sa channel namin at palaging nanonood ng vlog namin. Yeah, so first shout out goes to Michelle Q, Helen Abiertas, Margie Rapsing, Marilu Lanosga, Simply Ray, Rebecca Rafal, Maria Luz Floremonte, Jacqueline Galio, Kat Ang, Felia, Myrna Fonte, Team Lashi in the Netherlands. I'm so sorry, hindi ko ma-pronounce properly. Alisa Zafra, Lynn Digia, Alice Marshall, Maria Rosa da Silva, Fernando Cruz, Leilani Gilin, Mercedita Sanchez, Feli Lamparo, Beth Palma, Belin Regalado, and Lovely Dogomeo. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Careful, bye.
bye.
Mwah.